Hey car lovers, imagine transforming your daily drive into a next level experience. What if I told you there are 25 amazing car gadgets, all available on Amazon, that could make your ride safer, cooler, and just way more fun? Ready to discover the little things that'll change how you drive forever? Let's dive in. Meet the sleek 20-liter, 5 gallons pack that hides a built-in electric pump and shower head. No extra parts, no awkward hoses. Just fill it up, press one button, and enjoy a steady, high-pressure stream that replaces all those manual or foot-powered setups. Whether it's a road trip, backcountry camp, or beach day, this system gives you a quick, powerful rinse anywhere. Off-roading takes you far, but clean water rarely comes with you. Dirty jugs and clunky gravity bags are a hassle, especially when you can't find a spigot. This smart portable system packs 20 liters and an award-winning mini pump in one easy setup. Fill it, stash it, and press for instant flow. Roofinity, struggling to spot pedestrians or hazards when it's dark? Ever get blinded by those harsh high beams or find your vision fading in rain and fog? It's scary, and it puts everyone at risk. But imagine a tool that cuts through all that darkness and lets you see clearly, no matter the conditions. Enter Roofinity Insight Drive. Unlike regular headlights, its advanced thermal imaging doesn't rely on any light. It detects heat signatures, so you can spot animals, people, and vehicles way before they become a problem. Whether it's a pitch-black night, heavy fog, or pouring rain, Insight Drive gives you unmatched visibility and peace of mind. Drive smarter, safer, and see what others can't. Moapic, the world's first smart voice emoji device that turns your car into a fun, expressive space. Just ask Siri or Google Assistant to send your mood with colorful emojis and GIFs right on the road. Want to thank a kind driver? Flash a smiley. Cheering for your favorite team? Show your spirit loud and clear. Crushing on the car behind? Send some love hearts. Day or night, rain or shine, Moapic shines bright enough to be seen without blinding anyone. Feeling artsy? Use your phone to create custom designs and display them instantly. And for those nostalgic moments, Moapic even has classic 8-bit games like Tetris and Snake to keep your passengers entertained. Driving just got a whole lot more fun. Cam Omni, your car's all-seeing guardian. It combines trusted features from past models with powerful new tech to deliver true 360-degree coverage. Thanks to smooth 340-degree rotation powered by precise two-phase stepping motors and a wide 140-degree lens, Omni eliminates all blind spots. Its advanced AI parking surveillance detects and tracks suspicious people near your vehicle, following their movements around the entire car, even when you're away. Plus, Omni's smart collision detection algorithm instantly identifies the direction of any accident and records crucial footage for 30 seconds afterward, giving you clear evidence when it matters most. With Cam Omni, you get non-stop, all-around protection for your vehicle. Introducing the Ewitgo 4-in-1 Retractable Car Charger. Charge up to 4 devices fast and tangle-free. It has 2 retractable cables, 20-watt USB-A for Apple, 30-watt USB-C for Android, that extend up to 31.5 inches and retract neatly. With 72 watts total power, it quickly charges devices like Samsung Galaxy S23 and iPhone 14, reaching 50% battery in just 30 minutes. Compact and 50% smaller than before, it fits perfectly in tight car spaces and works with all major smartphones. Stay powered up on the go with EWITG. Electroluminescent displays offer sleek, clear visuals perfect for high-end designs. They stay transparent when off, are easily customizable, including curved and shaped options, and work in extreme temperatures, minus 60 degrees Celsius to plus 85 degrees Celsius, without extra cooling. With wide 179-degree viewing angles, sharp text clarity, strong shock resistance, and easy integration, these durable displays combine style and performance for industrial use. The Headrest Safe. Keep your valuables and firearms safe and within reach with the Headrest Safe bundle. Designed as a seamless match for your vehicle's interior, this bundle includes both driver and passenger headrests for a clean, factory look. With 3 secure access options, biometric, keypad, or hard key, you'll have fast, reliable access when it matters most. Crafted from durable 18-gauge steel with a reinforced 16-gauge door and steel locking mechanism, it's built for serious protection. Installation is easy. No bolts, no tethers, no removal of your original components. Plus, it meets strict OEM safety standards, including FMVSS 202AS and 302. Stylish, secure, and built for peace of mind. Sinen Car Safety Hammer. Introducing the 16-in-1 Emergency Kit, your all-in-one vehicle safety and survival tool. Packed with must-have features like a tungsten steel window breaker, sharp seatbelt cutter, rescue alarm, and multiple lighting modes. It's built to help you escape and signal for help in any emergency. The front light offers high, medium, and flash settings, while the side light includes an SOS strobe beacon to attract attention fast. Stay powered up with dual charging options, solar or USB, and use it as a mobile power bank for your phone or tablet. The high-strength magnet lets you attach it to your car or any metal surface for hands-free use, making it perfect as a warning or repair light. Compact, powerful, and life-saving, this emergency tool is a must-have for every vehicle. Telematics System. Telematics, at its core, is the fusion of telecommunications and informatics, blending technologies like phone networks and computer systems to share information over distances. In today's world, it's most commonly associated with commercial fleet vehicles. Telematics systems, often using wireless devices or black box technologies, gather and transmit data on vehicle usage, maintenance needs, and servicing. Many companies now rely on fleet management software, an application of telematics, to monitor vehicle health, improve productivity, and boost overall profitability by gaining real-time insights into their fleet operations. Valleo Imagine Demo Car. The Valleo Imagine Demo Car is a groundbreaking collaboration between French auto parts maker Valleo and German audio expert Sennheiser, unveiled at CES 2024. This demo car redefines driving by creating a personalized cocoon of comfort and well-being. Inside, gesture-responsive projection modules and advanced audio systems deliver a fully immersive sound experience. Passengers can tailor their space by displaying personal info like schedules or weather right on the headrests, which also feature built-in speakers. Backed by 5 patents, the Valleo Imagine isn't just a vehicle. It's a visionary glimpse into the future of automotive comfort and design. ARB Jack. The ARB Jack is a powerful yet compact hydraulic jack designed for serious off-roaders. Weighing just 23 pounds, it can lift up to 2 tons with smooth half-inch increments for precise control. Its 360-degree rotating body makes positioning easy, even in tight or challenging spots. For extra stability, an optional jack-based support can handle up to 7 tons, preventing the jack from sinking into soft or uneven ground. Combining strength and convenience, the ARB Jack is an essential tool for tackling tough off-road adventures. VAST G-Series 1. Elevate your outdoor adventures with the VAST G-Series 18-liter water tank. Mounted externally to keep your vehicle's interior dry and spill-free, it ensures your bedding stays clean and protected. Designed for quick water access, it features a 2-way auto breather and a tap outlet with quick connect compatibility for fast, full-flow water delivery. Refilling is hassle-free on the go, compatible with standard garden hoses. Customize your setup easily with optional hoses or a magnetic faucet kit for even more convenience. Tough webbing straps make carrying and transport simple and comfortable. Built to last, the VAST G-Series water tank is your reliable companion for dependable water access wherever your adventures take you. Rollend Jack Hardtop. The Rollend Jack is a game changer for Jeep owners, making hardtop removal and storage easier than ever. At $499, it assembles in just 10 minutes and lets a single person handle the entire process. from unboxing to rolling the hardtop safely into the garage. With an adjustable height range of 56 to 86 inches, it adapts to your space for maximum convenience. Ideal for Jeep enthusiasts who struggle with hard tops, Rollend Jack combines affordability with smart design, offering a practical and cost-effective way to boost your vehicle's versatility. Sucker X Roapacs. The Sucker X Roapac system offers a smart, space-saving way to transport fuel and water tanks. Its versatile holders attach securely to glass, metal, or fiberglass surfaces, while the 3-gallon tanks, made with patented rotational molding, are durable and reliable. Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts needing to maximize storage, this system lets you carry essential supplies without compromising space. Priced at $149 for the holder and $102 for the tank, it's a convenient and efficient solution for any adventure. Evo LED Driving Lights. The Steady Type X. Evo LED driving lights are built to boost your nighttime visibility, lighting up the road ahead to help you spot obstacles and wildlife before it's too late. Perfect for off-road lovers tackling tough trails after dark, these lights deliver powerful illumination with a comfortable color temperature, making your nighttime drives safer and more enjoyable. Rinskit Shower System. Road warriors know the struggle. After surfing, hiking, or dusty festivals, those long, sticky hours without a proper rinse are brutal. The Rinskit shower system changes the game with a simple, smart solution. This battery-powered champ packs a 3.5-gallon tank, delivering 5 minutes of pressurized spray. Its stainless steel heater rod heats water to a comfy 110 degrees Fahrenheit. And with 5 spray settings, you can switch from a gentle rinse to powerful dirt-blasting action. Think of it as your bathroom's best feature, ready whenever nature calls. Priced between $100 and $200, it's the difference between arriving refreshed or feeling like you've been marinating in your adventure sweat. Smart Dash Cam with a dashboard cameras have come a long way from basic recording gadgets to smart safety companions. Today's AI-powered smart dash cams act like both security guards and legal witnesses for your vehicle, spotting hazards like lane departures and tailgating in real time. They automatically capture incidents that could turn into insurance disputes, giving you solid evidence when it matters most. Many models offer cloud storage and send alerts to your smartphone, so you stay connected to your car even when it's parked. EDI4 Cordless Electric Handheld. Frosty mornings just got easier with the Karcher EDI4. Its rotating disc, equipped with 6 durable plastic blades, swiftly clears ice from windshields, cutting down cleanup time compared to manual scraping. With a battery that powers multiple sessions on a single charge and a comfortable, secure grip that works even with winter gloves, it's built for chilly conditions. Compact enough to fit perfectly in your glove compartment, the EDI4 is your winter windshield's best friend. Heavy-duty pneumatic. Jack lifting 3 tons with less effort than opening a stubborn jar. This pneumatic jack means business. Built tough with alloy steel and rubber, it handles garage wear and tear, while the triple lifting system adds safety that cheaper jacks miss. With a lift range from 5.5 to 17.7 inches and a lightning-fast 5-second lift time, tire changes become almost enjoyable. The long handle and safety valve keep you safe while your car's in the air. Priced between $299 and $399, it boasts a 4.8 out of 5 rating on mechanic forums and snagged the Innovation Award at SEMA 2024. Just remember, you'll need a separate air compressor to power it. CarPlay Adapter. In 2025, why are we still plugging phones into cars? This adapter flips the script, turning compatible vehicles into wireless hubs for media, navigation, and calls. Just plug in the USB once, and it automatically pairs every time you start your car. It supports multiple Apple devices without the hassle of menu diving. Priced between $89.99 and $129.99, it's perfect for cars made since 2016 and has earned CNET's Best In-Car Tech Upgrade Award with a solid 4.5 out of 5 stars. While some users mention occasional connectivity hiccups and minor audio delays compared to wired setups, this $100 gadget saves more stress than a weekend meditation retreat for most drivers. Andel diagnostic device battery problems cause most roadside breakdowns. Versatile enough for cars, motorcycles, and boats, it's your go-to tool for all vehicles and recreational gear. Built with a shock-resistant case, it's tough enough to survive the trunk and ready whenever you need it most. Vevor Electric Hydraulic. Jack roadside tire changes don't have to be a nightmare anymore. The Vevor Electric Hydraulic Jack plugs right into your car's 12-volt outlet. No more scrambling for power. Its built-in electric wrench removes lug nuts effortlessly with consistent torque, so you skip the grunting and straining. Plus, the onboard inflation pump quickly gets your tire back to the right pressure. Adjustable from 6.1 to 17.7 inches, it fits under almost any vehicle. With a hefty 5-ton lift capacity, it handles everything from compact cars to big SUVs with ease. What used to be a dreaded 30-minute struggle becomes a smooth 10-minute task with this electric powerhouse. Yakima Grand Tour Cargo Box. Family road trips usually force you to choose passengers or luggage. Not with the Yakima Grand Tour. This massive roof box offers 16 cubic feet of weatherproof storage, perfect for all those extras that just won't fit inside your car. Access is super easy thanks to dual-sided openings. Grab your gear from either side without hassle. Have skis? No problem. It fits boards up to 185 centimeters long with zero need for adapters or acrobatics. Heavy-duty locks and straps keep everything secure while you're parked or grabbing a bite. Stuck deciding between camping gear or comfy seats? With the Grand Tour, you don't have to. Bring it all and enjoy the ride. Zip Charge. Go range anxiety is a real concern for EV drivers, and Zip Charge Go tackles it head-on. This portable charger delivers an emergency boost of 20 to 40 miles in just 30 to 60 minutes, so you're never stuck without power. Track your charge progress right from your phone. No need to stand around watching. Security's covered too, with GPS tracking and anti-theft features protecting your investment. Weighing around 30 pounds and featuring wheels and a handle, it's easy for anyone to move. Zip Charge. Go transforms EV ownership by turning range limits into manageable situations. Just like carrying spare fuel in a gas car,